Welcome to Exodus versus Coinomi. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two multi-asset wallets, focusing on features, usability, and who each wallet is best suited for, to help you decide which one fits your crypto needs. Exodus Wallet is designed for users seeking a sleek, beginner-friendly experience. With support for over 200 cryptocurrencies, it's ideal for those managing a diverse portfolio. One of Exodus's standout features is its intuitive interface, complete with a built-in portfolio tracker and integrated exchange that allows users to swap assets seamlessly. It's available as a desktop app, mobile app, and browser extension, providing flexibility for managing your crypto anywhere. Exodus is non-custodial, meaning you retain control of your private keys. However, its ease of use comes with a trade-off. Transaction fees are fixed, and advanced features like custom fee settings are unavailable, which might deter experienced users. Coinomi Wallet, on the other hand, offers broader cryptocurrency support, handling over 1,700 assets, including rare altcoins. It is also a non-custodial wallet, emphasizing security and user privacy with no KYC requirements or tracking. Coinomi's built-in exchange supports asset swaps and even integrates with decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms, catering to users who want more control over their crypto activities. Coinomi is available on desktop and mobile, making it accessible across devices. While it boasts greater asset coverage and advanced features, the app's interface is less visually polished compared to Exodus, which might be less appealing for beginners. In summary, Exodus is the wallet of choice for those prioritizing simplicity, an attractive interface, and essential features for managing a mid-sized portfolio. Coinomi, on the other hand, caters to experienced users who value extensive asset support, privacy, and DeFi integrations. If you're a beginner or prefer a clean, easy-to-navigate wallet, Exodus is the way to go. However, if you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast handling a broad range of assets, Coinomi might be a better fit. Links to both wallets are in the description. Explore them to find the perfect match for your needs.